Alright guys, so we are back with another video. So today is Sunday, 25th, going from Newport to Cardiff, Live Bay. So we are taking a bus from here and then we'll be reaching Cardiff. I will show you how it goes. If you see, this is the station, this is the Cardiff station. Sorry, Newport station. And unfortunately today train service is not there because of some maintenance. So they have replaced it with bus for a couple of till 2 o'clock I think, yeah. So we will be taking a bus and going there. Okay guys, so we have now boarded the bus to Cardiff. It will take an hour to reach to the Cardiff, and once we move around the places, Cardiff Bay, Cardiff Castle, there are a lot of places. I will vlog everything and I will show you around. Keep following, keep enjoying and keep watching. Okay guys, so we have able to reach Cardiff. Now we are going to a stadium called Principality Stadium. Let's see how it is over there and let's enjoy. I think so, it's just a wild guess. So yeah, this is, if you see on the other side, those colorful tents, those are basically the Bayside market, which sits on every Sunday. Okay guys, so we have reached to this stadium. So inside the stadium there is a leisure center, and in the leisure center we have decided to bowl. So if you see, this is the bowling which we are going to do right now. Now these are the shoes which I have got. I have to wear these shoes and we will go for a bowl right now. Guys, we are starting the bowling. This is my round. I am going to hit. Let's see. I have scored 8 points. If you see, 8 points out of 10. So that's an amazing shot. Now it's your turn. Now let's see what you do over here. Let's see what you do. It is not even on the track. Let's try one more time. No, we are good. Yeah. No, you are zero. You scored zero. I scored the entire bowl and she haven't scored a single point. So guys, let us play. No, you are done. Who won? Yes! Let's see! You scored badly,
No problem.
Okay guys, so we are done with the bowl. Score was me 86 and she 46. Yeah, so we are done with the gaming, bowling. We are now going out. Let's see how it goes. Till then, peace. Finally made it to the Cardiff Castle. This is the white castle. We are entering into it and let's see what we have inside this. Okay guys, so we have finally made it to the Cardiff Castle. So guys, while we were moving toward Cardiff Castle, we found that there was one boat which takes to the Cardiff Bay. Start at 6:45. It's like amazing, very peace, very cool. So the good part is that these castles are made up of stone, which keeps this area very cool during summer. So yeah, pretty. Places on Cardiff, covered Cardiff Bay, Millennium Park. We are going back to Newport. So we have boarded the train and I don't know whether you can see, this is outside of the train.
Following principal stations: Newport, Rye, Hungerford,
We are going to Newport back.
Ludlow, Craven Arms, Church Stretton, Shrewsbury,
Lot of travel,
Webb, Butcher,
tired.
Nantwich, Crewe, and Chester,